You see this building? This building was started about 2 months ago or 3 months ago, I think so. And look at it, see where it is today. This is in Chicago, and this is about this is on Lakeshore Drive, downtown Chicago. This building, I'm gonna start monitoring this building to see the progress. I think they started it a few months ago, and look at it now. I saw when they started the building because I follow this road every day. All right, until next time, when I'll give you the next post of my video. This is downtown Chicago. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share my video. Peace. And bye for now.